Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer PMI cancellation request with request tools at MGIC. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of transferring a PMI cancellation request with request tools at MGIC, first, ensure you have all necessary documentation at hand. Log into your MGIC account using your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Request Tools section. In the Request Tools area, look for the option labeled PMI Cancellation Request. Click on this option to open the cancellation request form. Now, complete all required fields in the form. Make sure to double-check that all information is accurate and up-to-date. Next, attach any supporting documents that may be needed for your request. These documents could include an appraisal or evidence of improved property value. After reviewing your entries and attachments, click on the Submit button. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that your request has been received. Retain the confirmation for your records, as it may be needed for future reference. Next, keep an eye on your email inbox for updates or additional information from MGIC. If you do not hear back within a reasonable time frame, consider following up with customer support. Be prepared to provide any additional information they may require. Once your request has been processed, MGIC will notify you of the cancellation status. Upon cancellation, ensure that your mortgage servicer updates their records accordingly. This process will help you manage your PMI more effectively. Completing these steps accurately will facilitate a smooth transfer of your PMI cancellation request. Remember to stay organized and follow up as needed to ensure a successful outcome. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.